Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel again. In today's video I'm gonna show you this in this box. This is made from natural ingredients, and what it actually is, it's Lurpak unsalted. It's a kind of butter, you could say, and the quantity size is, these are 2 packs and 250 gram each. So this is how it looks like. Now I'm gonna open it with the help of scissor. I'm gonna tear this packet. So finally it comes out like this. So this is how it looks like, and this product is since 1901, made from natural ingredients, Lurpak spreadable. So it's very easy to spread. It's over here you could see Lurpak butter blended with canola oil. So it's basically a butter which they have mixed with some oil, canola oil. Over here you could see the pick also. See over here the spoon in which there is an oil. So this is how it looks like, and box is very nice, interesting. 250 gram. What else? Yeah, over here, blend 78%, 52% milk fat and 26% canola oil. Ingredients, it's mentioned over here: butter from cow's milk, canola oil, water, lactic culture. So this is a product of Denmark, as you could see over here. Arla food ember. So that's it. Let's open this. This is something new. I really don't know how to open this box. Like this, and now you just need to take it out. So interesting. On the top of butter they pasted this paper, and this is how it looks like. Butter, see at the corner there's little oil, so that is butter mixed with oil, and it's very soft. You could see like this. See, it was in fridge but still very soft to take out and very easy to spread. Now I'm going to taste it. I purchased unsalted, that's why it's normal. You could purchase the salted one also. These are really nice and easy to eat. I would say easy to spread in bread and all. So friends, if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.